Stock markets are soaring following last week's election. WWA's Nate Malden sat down with an economist at UNCW to find out why and if there are investments to consider or avoid right now.
U.S. markets opening higher this week as investors prepare for President-elect Donald Trump's return to the White House. Bitcoin also trading significantly higher, topping 90,000 per Bitcoin. Muhsin Katabi teaches economics at UNCW. He says the positive change in the market is largely a reaction to which sectors could benefit from Trump's proposed policies.
The money is typically following where they think, policy changes are potentially going to happen, or sectors that will potentially benefit from deregulation or from lower taxes. And the ones that are not benefiting from those policies are seeing money move out of them.
Based on Trump's outlined policies, sectors that could see a boost in the coming weeks include defense, oil and gas, while renewable energy markets have been trading about the same or lower when compared to last week. CEO of Falcon Wealth Planning, Gabriel Shahin, feels that those shifts are normal and reflect a healthy market.
I look at it as a heartbeat, right? It needs to have the ebbs and flows, the ups and downs. And that's a normal occurrence. It could be just from a normal rebalancing that's taking place. So we are expecting very high levels of volatility in the early part of next year, which conveniently is during the inauguration.
Katabi adds that although markets at large are on the rise, he's doubtful that sharp increase will stick in the long term.
When elected officials, whether at the gubernatorial level or at the presidential level, have more pro-business policies, that tends to translate into a little bit of short-term euphoria. That's kind of what we're seeing in the stock market this time around.
In Wilmington, Nate Malden, WWAY News.
Katabi says the markets will likely see another shift after President-elect Trump's inauguration in January, depending on which policies he chooses to implement.